Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Capsule CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you upload or import your contacts into your Capsule CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to upload your contacts into Capsule CRM? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, it's pretty normal to switch over service providers. So you want to go ahead and bring your contacts into Capsule CRM. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Capsule CRM dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Capsule account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and import your contacts, you're going to click on this person icon here on the top left. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the contacts you have in Capsule CRM. However, to import an Excel spreadsheet of your contacts, you're going to click up here on the top right. There's a button called Import Contacts. If you're just bringing over one contact, you can click right here, Add Person, and add them one by one. But if you already have a spreadsheet, click on Import Contacts. Okay, once you do that, you get a couple of different options on importing your contacts. So if you're bringing your contacts from another CRM, you can go ahead and use this button. Or if you have them in a spreadsheet, you can go ahead and click here, which is what we're going to do. Okay, so here you can go ahead and upload opportunities, but you can also upload people and organizations. So today we are importing contacts. So I'm going to click here, People and Organizations. Okay, they do let you know it needs to be a CSV or XLSX file. So I'm going to go ahead and add that file in now. Okay, now it's processing. Okay, now it has a purple check mark, so I'm going to click on Next down here on the bottom right. Okay, next you want to go ahead and map out the spreadsheet that you uploaded. So here are the uploaded columns that I have, and then here is the capsule. So this is name and name, so that's matching up. Email, and this is saying city, so this is city. So I actually did a pretty good job. Okay, yeah, so everything's matched up correctly, so I'm going to click on Next. If it didn't match up though, you want to be sure to open this up and adjust it. So for example, this one is the city, but let's say if it were their Skype information, then you would want to go ahead and choose that, or maybe if they're Instagram. So let me click on Next. Okay, so this is important. So if you already have the contact inside of your Capsule CRM, you can prevent it from duplicating contacts, or you can import all as new contacts. So this is my first time uploading into this Capsule CRM, so I'm going to do this. You can also choose this one. So you're going to import everything from the spreadsheet, and everything on the spreadsheet is going to be used to update any kind of duplicates. So if you had an Anthony inside of your Capsule CRM and it's the same Anthony, it'll just update that information. So I'm going to click on Next. Okay, so here's what the preview looks like. So that looks good to me. I'm going to click on Import Now. Okay, now it's processing. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now it says Import Completed. So I was only importing or uploading 3 contacts into my Capsule CRM, so it went by pretty quick. If you're uploading a huge list, it's probably going to take longer. So if you want to confirm, click on the person icon here on the top left. Okay, so here are our new contacts right here, and here are the companies or organizations as well. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to import or upload your contact list into your Capsule CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.